Hi there, Poppin PJ here. Thanksgiving 2023 is almost here. So I had a great idea. I said, let's make a funky turkey. That's what I said, funky turkey. Let's get to it.
First, we have to get some pallet wood, so we're going to pry it off of the pallet. It is very important that you watch your body mechanics. This is hard to do. You have to use a crowbar to help pry up the nails and try not to damage the board. So I'm going to use the jigsaw to cut out the base of the turkey that I drew on this extra board I had. After that, I had pulled out some pieces that I hydro dipped in the summer, and this is the technique. So for the hydro dip technique, you need to have a tote of water and various colors of spray paint that you want to use, and just layer the spray paint on top of the water. And then once you are done with all the colors and kind of repeating that process, you will take a stirring stick and just kind of move the paint around. And then the next part you will do will be to take your board and slide it slowly into the water, pull it out quickly, and you will see just how fun this is. The paint just creeps on the board. And I had the idea to make a very colorful, fun, funky turkey, and the dipped boards are going to be the feathers. So after cutting the turkey body, I estimated what I thought the feathers should look like as far as the width and the length. So cutting those pieces again now from the hydro dipped boards. Just having to clamp the board down and cut as much as I can from one end, unclamp it, reclamp it, and then finish the cut from the other end. This smaller board piece here is going to be the turkey head. If you are enjoying this video, please pop that subscribe button. And now I'm using the jigsaw to make a curve for the top of the turkey head. It got dark on me today, working in the night, just cutting more feather boards. So I always get these ideas, but when it comes to putting it together, I have to really think about how am I going to do this. So I decided the best way to get this turkey together was to take the feather pallet board pieces and use brad wire nails and do the first two nailed right into the base of the turkey. These are the medium-sized feathers, as I will have some large feathers and some smaller feathers too. So now, again with nails, I am actually connecting the two larger feather pieces to the medium pieces that have already been nailed into the body of the turkey to keep them together at the proper distance apart. Because this is a tight space, sometimes I have to kind of use my pliers to readjust the nail so that I can get it nailed in completely. Bang, bang, bang on the door, baby. Now I will be connecting the third medium-sized feather, which will also be the middle feather for the turkey, and connect it from behind. I have placed this middle feather across the two larger feathers and nailed them down. Looking good. My funky turkey is coming together. Now for the two smallest feathers, I decided I was just going to actually use a paint stick that I had got from Menards when I had purchased some paint, and I just cut it to the appropriate size and it works perfectly. On this side, I am just taking the smallest feather and putting a nail through it first, and then putting it against the body of the turkey, and then nail it in. The funky turkey is coming to life. Almost there. Turkey strut. I am just looking now at the head of the turkey with its beak just to kind of see what it's going to look like, and it's looking really cute. So next I am nailing in the turkey head and neck. Again, just hammering the nail through the head first and then into the body. And so to make this more stable, I decided I'm going to use 2 screws and place those in the back through the larger feathers down through to the body of the turkey. Pallet wood is tough. I know I say that all the time, but it really is. And no, I am not bowing to the turkey. I'm blowing the dust that came out when I drilled the hole. Gobble, 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 gobble. Using a little wood glue. I'm doing the turkey strut and then going to fly away. So, as you can see, where I had to cut the pallet boards into the appropriate width, there are edges that don't have any hydro dip on them. So I have to do a faux hydro dip, and this is how we're gonna do it. So I have some acrylic paints that are similar to the colors from the hydro dip, and I just have a glove on. I'm just taking a few of the colors, just using my finger and just kind of spreading a little bit of the paint around down the edge of the pallet boards here, as you can see. And I will be using multiple colors. I'm going to use 3 colors, this orangey, peachy color, the blue, and a little bit of yellow. Fun, funky colors for a turkey. Look at that. Now to do the same for the other feather. I'm just finger painting here. I forgot to mention that I also did this faux hydro dip technique on the 2 smaller feathers using the Menards paint stick. All done. So I had this extra triangular scrap piece of wood that works perfectly to help the turkey to stand upright. So here is Mr. Funky Turkey. I love him. He is Poppin. Here he is by my fireplace. This funky turkey has every right to strut his feathers. Here he is from the side. Thanksgiving holiday fun. Making funky turkey. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Doing my Poppin PJ turkey strut. Woo! If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you.